Hi everyone. Today let's talk about the situation with the double mutant coronavirus named B1617, a new COVID variant dominating in India for the last couple of days. It was first found in one of the Indian states, Maharashtra, but now it has spread into more than 10 states across India. This variant is considered the major cause responsible for the current rise in COVID cases in India. In the last couple of days, more than 300,000 cases have been reported continuously in India, which causing more than 2,000 people to die every 24 hours. We will be addressing 3 points in this video. Number 1. How mutation occur in coronavirus. Number 2. What is double mutant? Number 3. Explaining the Indian double mutant. Before addressing the first point, let's make a quick overview of how the behavior of an organism like coronavirus is controlled. All living organisms, their behaviors are controlled by their genetic materials. Genetic materials are a kind of code inside their body cells that determines different behaviors of the organisms. For example, skin color and hair color in men. But in coronavirus, these behaviors are contagiousness, virulence, and vaccine escape. Before addressing each one in detail, let me tell you first that there are two types of genetic materials. One is called DNA, stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and the other is RNA, ribonucleic acid. Remember that coronavirus is RNA containing virus. Now, the first behavior, contagiousness, means how fast it spread from person to person. The spreading capability of the virus is controlled by the genetic code that is responsible for the formation of spike protein. Spike protein helps the virus in attaching to the lung cells. The second behavior is virulence. It shows the severity of the disease it can cause, or in other words, how intense it can cause the disease. The third is vaccine escape. Vaccine escape means that how effective the vaccine and built-in immunity would be against this virus. Coming to the first point, how mutation occur in coronavirus. Mutation is any change in the genetic code of the virus that control the behavior of the virus and result into a new variant. The new variant may have an increase or decrease in behavior. For example, it may be more contagious or less contagious than their parent virus. It occurs when the genetic code that controls the behavior alters due to one of many reasons. The second point, what is double mutant? Sometimes two or more different variants that are already present combine and form a new variant. Double or triple mutant depends upon how many variants were combined. Such a kind of mutant often proved more dangerous because it has characteristics acquired from different variants. And that's why Indian double mutant is proved more dangerous than South African and UK variant. Now, what is Indian double mutant? The double mutation COVID variant in India is a combination of two mutations. One is E484Q and the other is L452R, which make it more infectious and enable it to escape antibodies. These mutations are separately found in UK and South African variant, but this is for the first time that they have been reported together in the Indian double mutant variant. The current rise in the number of COVID cases in India is attributed to this double mutation. Researchers found that this variant is 20% more contagious and reduced the efficacy of the vaccine by 50%. This is why it spread more rapidly in India and resulting into a crisis situation across the country.